Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, is my baby actually happy or are they just not crying? Because those two things are not the same. And most parents never realize this. A baby who is not crying is a quiet baby. A baby whose brain is lit up and full of warmth from the inside, that is a happy baby. And that inner glow does not come from toys. It does not come from a screen. It comes from 5 simple things. Things you can do every single day. Things that make your baby happy deep inside, all the way down to their brain chemistry. And number 3 and 5 matter the most. We all want our babies to be happy. That is why we buy them toys, play videos for them, and try to meet every need they have. But what child neuroscience actually tells us is this: a baby's real happiness does not live in any of those things. It lives somewhere else. And that place is right beside you. Before we go any further, drop your baby's name in the comments and let us know when they seem the most happy. 1. Physical touch. Here is a simple question. Think back, when did you last hold your baby for no reason? Not because they were crying. Not because it was sleep time. Just because you wanted to. If you cannot think of a moment, then this point is especially for you. Scientists at the University of Miami found that when a baby receives gentle touch, their brain releases oxytocin. Oxytocin is the hormone that creates a deep sense of safety. It tells your baby, you are loved, you are secure, and the world around you is okay. And this feeling does not just live in that one moment. It gets stored inside their brain. Your baby remembers that warmth, that closeness. And on days when the world feels big and scary, that memory pulls them back to feeling safe. Your lap is not simply a place to sit. It is the very first home your baby has ever known. The more time they spend there, the more their brain gets shaped for happiness. But what comes in point 2 goes even deeper than this. 2. Eye contact and a smile. Try this today. Sit down in front of your baby. Put your phone aside, set everything else down, and just look at them. Look into their eyes and smile. That is all. Then just watch what happens. They will move toward you. Their face will open up. They may even smile right back. This is not something cute that just happens by chance. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that when a parent and baby look into each other's eyes and the parent smiles, dopamine is released in the baby's brain. Dopamine is the chemical that creates real happiness, the same chemical that fires when something truly good happens to us. Your one smile hands that to your baby. You are literally their source of happiness, right down to the chemistry inside them. And there is more. The more eye contact you share with your baby, the more their brain builds the ability to connect with other people. That single look of yours is quietly building the entire foundation of their social life. If this is new information for you, hit like and subscribe to this channel. This is where we help you truly understand your baby through the lens of science. Let us keep going. 3. Talking to them. Your baby has no words to give back to you, but they are taking in every single thing you say. Every word, every tone you use, every little pause. And they are not just hearing it, they are filing it away. Researchers at MIT's Language Acquisition Lab found that babies who hear more talking from their parents build stronger language centers in their brain, and they build them faster. But this goes beyond language. Every time you talk to your baby, you are sending them a message. You are here, you matter, your presence is real and important. And that message quietly becomes the root of how they see themselves. Whether they grow up feeling sure of themselves or unsure, whether they feel safe or unsettled, it all starts with your voice right here, right now. So talk to them. When you are cooking, tell them what is going into the pot. When you are giving them a bath, sing something soft. When you step outside, point things out. This is a tree, this is the sky, this is the wind blowing. They may not understand your words, but their brain understands that they are loved. And that makes them happy. 4. Free play. This one might catch you off guard because with this point you do not actually have to do anything. Just step back. As parents, we are always guiding. Do this. Not that way. Play like this. But something very special happens in a baby's brain when they play on their own, with no directions from anyone. Researchers at the University of Colorado found that during free play, the part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex becomes the most active. This is the area that handles creativity, solving problems, and making decisions. And while all of this is happening, the brain releases both dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine, the happiness chemical. Serotonin, the chemical that creates contentment, the quiet feeling that says everything is fine. When your baby plays alone and you are simply nearby watching them, that is actually their most valuable activity. So let them play. Let them fall. Let them pick themselves back up. Let them figure things out. Stay close enough to be there, but stay back enough to let them grow. That freedom is where their real happiness lives. 5. Emotional safety. This is the last point, and it is the one that matters most of all. Please listen closely. You can give your baby every good thing, the right food, the best toys, careful loving care. But if this one thing is missing, none of the rest is complete. That thing is emotional safety. It means your baby knows in their bones, when I am scared, they will come. When I cry, they will hear me. When I try something new, they will not make me feel bad for it. When I fail, they will not walk away. Child psychologists at Stanford University completed a major study, and found that babies raised in emotionally safe homes had consistently lower levels of cortisol in their brains, and consistently higher levels of serotonin and oxytocin. Meaning they were biologically happier. Not because of money. Not because of toys. Because of safety. And where does emotional safety actually come from? Not from therapy. Not from a method or a program. It comes from you staying steady. From you showing up the same way again and again. From you being present, even on the hard days. Even when your baby cries for the 10th time. Even when they will not do what you need them to do. Even in those moments, if you are simply there, their brain is quietly learning something very important. I am safe. The world is okay. I am okay. And that is the deepest happiness there is. No toy in the world can give that to them. No screen ever will. Only you can give that. Tell us in the comments, out of these 5 things, which one makes your baby the happiest? Keep watching.